This is AeroForce, a revolution in robotic vacuum cleaning technology. AeroForce is like no other. It's how the Roomba 800 series cleans up to 50% more dirt, hair, and debris than ever before. Dual counter-rotating extractors incorporate a durable rubber tread design that grab and break down dirt and debris from any floor type. The revolutionary new brushless design improves cleaning performance with unique angled treads that guide debris into the vacuum field. The airflow accelerator brings the vacuum power right down to the floor surface, creating a sealed channel that concentrates the airflow and multiplies the vacuum power. The high-efficiency vacuum was custom engineered to balance suction and airflow. This 5 times more powerful vacuum traps dirt and allergens, drawing them into the sealed HEPA-filtered bin. The AeroForce Performance Cleaning System is the combination of these 3 breakthrough technologies working together to deliver unprecedented cleaning results. AeroForce is like no other. AeroForce defines clean.